This tutorial review will show you how to fix Instagram stories not deleting problem. These methods will help you to delete Instagram story not deleting or can't delete Instagram story on Instagram a photo or video. Solution number 1. Force restart your mobile. Sometimes there may be an issue with Instagram itself and there may be technical issues for software issues. So go ahead and force restart your mobile device and then try to delete your Instagram story. Solution number 2. Check with your internet connection. If Instagram story is not deleting, you need to make sure that you are connected to your internet Wi-Fi connection. Solution number 3. Turn on and turn off airplane mode. Swipe from top to bottom and bring up control center. Tap on airplane mode and turn it on and wait for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, tap on airplane mode again and then turn it off. Now go ahead and connect it to your internet Wi-Fi connection and then go ahead and delete the Instagram story and it will be deleted successfully. Solution number 3. Turn on and connect to mobile cellular data. You need to turn off Wi-Fi and then connect your mobile cellular data, as sometimes there may be an issue with Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on its own and Wi-Fi keeps restarting, and you need to connect to mobile, and once connected to mobile data, then go ahead and delete Instagram story and your issue of Instagram story not deleting or can't delete Instagram story on your phone will be fixed. And the next solution is use a web browser. Open a browser and type instagram.com. Now log in into your account. Once you logged in, tap the three dots on the bottom menu and tap the delete, and your Instagram story from your Instagram web browser will be deleted successfully. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Instagram application and reinstall it, and hope it will fix the problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.